Staring at that iPhone lock to owner screen is incredibly frustrating, especially when you realize a simple mistake in your support request can lead to an immediate rejection. Hey, it's Elliot from MacCrunch. Most users spend hours in a loop with automated bots only to get nowhere. Today, you will learn the exact phrases to use in the Apple Support app to bypass the fluff and get your documentation triaged by a real human agent who can actually unlock your device. I walk through the Support app to find the exact keywords that trigger a manual review. Quick legal note before we continue. You must own the device or have legal permission to unlock it. These steps are for personal use only. Success depends on your proof of purchase. Following this guide does not guarantee a specific result. Since you now understand the legal requirements for ownership, you can move forward with a professional solution for your locked hardware.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
I need to verify the exact status of the device before I start the official request. I look at the locked to owner screen and locate the small circle with the letter I in the bottom right corner. I tap this icon to reveal the serial number and the IMEI. I write these down on a physical notepad to avoid errors. Next, I gather my original purchase receipt. I check that it shows the date of sale, the store name, and the device serial number. A simple order confirmation often fails, so I find the actual invoice from the retailer. I take a clear photo of this document, making sure every word is legible. I also prepare my government ID to match the name on the receipt. This preparation prevents the support team from rejecting my claim during the first review. I open the Apple Support app now to begin the digital submission. I open the Apple Support app on a separate working device and select the Hardware and Software Issues category. I scroll past the generic help articles and choose the Activation Lock option to find the Direct Contact portal. I type the phrase, Start Activation Lock Support Request into the chat box to bypass the automated assistant. This specific keyword triggers a specialized workflow that connects me to the administrative team. I select the option for a chat representative rather than a phone call to keep a written record of my case number. I provide the serial number I recorded earlier when the agent asks for device identification. I inform the agent that I have the original proof of purchase ready for upload to their secure server. I wait for the representative to provide a unique link for my documentation. Once the upload is complete, I ask for an estimated review timeline. I monitor my inbox for a message from the Apple support team regarding my case status. This email arrives once the administrative team verifies my ownership documents and clears the security flags on my serial number. I look for the specific subject line stating that the activation lock is removed. I do not attempt to turn on the device until I see this official confirmation. I connect my iPhone to a reliable Wi-Fi network to prepare for the final reset. I press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously to enter recovery mode. I connect the phone to a computer and select the restore option to wipe the previous owner data completely. I follow the on-screen prompts once the Apple logo appears. I skip the old login request and set up the device as new to confirm the lock is gone. I successfully move through the verification of my serial number and the preparation of my original purchase invoice. I navigated the support app using the specific phrases that connect me to a real person for manual triaging. I finished the process by restoring my device to clear the lock permanently. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.